students. Good evening, and I hope all of you are fine. Even I'm fine, and today I'm present before you with a new topic, and that is very important of your English grammar. And what is that? That is comprehension. Now, what do you mean by comprehension? Comprehension is nothing but you can say that how you solve your puzzles now. In the same way, we are solving comprehension. Okay, it's a pattern like that. Now, how we will understand this one? Right, in puzzles, you are being given small pieces of picture in a different patterns, right? And then after you join them to get a big picture. In the same way, comprehension is something where we become the detective. Okay, and we try to find out that what has happened, how it has happened, how the characters were feeling, who are the characters, and what is all about the story. So this is the fact. So you will be given it in a story form or in a picture form. So ma'am told many things about comprehension. এবার বোঝা বেটা কি, রাইট? তো চলো এবার একটু বুঝে নিই। তা কম্প্রিহেনশনটা কি জিনিস? কম্প্রিহেনশনটা হচ্ছে ডোন্ট গো উইথ ওয়ার্ডস। তুমি কিন্তু শুধু রিডিংটা পড়বে না, রিডিং এর সঙ্গে ট্রাই টু গ্রাস্প দ্য মিনিং। ইয়েস, কম্প্রিহেনশন হচ্ছে তোমাকে একটা ছোট্ট টপিক দেওয়া হবে। It can be in a form of passage. Okay, usually it is in a form of passage. তো ওই প্যাসেজ অনুযায়ী তোমাকে কি দেওয়া হবে? কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন্স দেওয়া হবে ওই প্যাসেজ থেকে। ওকে, তো তোমাকে কি করতে হবে? তোমাকে ওই প্যাসেজটা ভালো করে পড়তে হবে, আর তারপরে ওইখান থেকে তোমাকে যে কোয়েশ্চেন্স গুলো দেওয়া হবে সেই কোয়েশ্চেন্স গুলোকে তোমাকে সলভ করতে হবে। It can be in objective form, MCQ form, okay, true and false form. তো এরকম ভাবে তোমাকে various types of questions দেওয়া যেতে পারে, fill in the blanks হতে পারে। So I will just do one small demo with that যে কি করে জিনিসটা হতে পারে। Like I'm having some pictures for all of you juniors. So let me arrange the pictures once so that I can show you properly. So this is number 1, and let us go with 2, and here is 3, here is 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so this is the sequence of my picture. Now I'm going to show them to you. So here, let's start the story. This is Chuk Chuk. Chuk Chuk is a moina. Okay, she's a moina, and Chuk Chuk is about to lay eggs. Yes, Chuk Chuk laid eggs in her nest. But Chuk Chuk is always worried that what will happen after the egg hatch. Because why you know? Because of this cruel crow. This crow is always disturbing Chuk Chuk. This crow wants to always hurt Chuk Chuk. And obviously, if this crow wants to hurt Chuk Chuk, then he will be always ready to hurt her chicks also. Now what happened? That Chuk Chuk's egg hatched. And now Chuk Chuk is living with her chicks very nicely. But Chuk Chuk needs to go for search of food for her small chicks. So how she will go to search food? Because she is always scared of this one, this cruel crow. And one day Chuk Chuk cannot sleep for the whole night because she was so worried. At that time, she heard a chatting sound. And who was that? Yes, that was her friend Montu. This is Montu. Okay, so Montu was there to help Chuk Chuk. And now what happened? That Chuk Chuk wants to see that if Montu can help Chuk Chuk. So Montu was ready, as friend in need is the friend indeed. So here comes that Chuk Chuk gave the responsibility to Montu to take care of her nest when she is not present. She is going to search food. Okay, so at that time, Montu took the responsibility and all the chicks were safe. Why you know? Because that cruel crow was scared of Montu. He will never come when Montu is there. Then after, Chuk Chuk started living her life happily and her chicks also were happy with her because they were safe, right? So this is a small pictorial story, and with this pictorial story I will ask you some questions. Okay, কিরকম হবে? ম্যাম কি কোয়েশ্চেন্স জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারে? ম্যাম এরকম জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারে that who is Chuk? Obviously Chuk is a myna. Who is Montu? Montu is a monkey, right? And how was the crow? The crow was cruel. And who wanted to hurt Chuk's chicks? And it was obviously the crow. Now, who took the responsibility to protect Chuk's chicks? Montu. Yes. And who was the best friend of Chuk? Montu. So, who was scared of Montu? Crow. So like this, it took place. Okay, and we asked so many questions from this story. It is nothing else but to understand, listen, and observe the picture or the passage or the story which has been given to you so that you can answer the asked questions properly. That is as simple as that. Okay, so that is called comprehension. So I will be back again with some new topics for you. Till that time, bye bye.